2015 GMC Yukon XL. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!